Hey guys, welcome to Commodity Corner. This is the YouTube series and we are talking about gold as it is festival season. So we are trying to get you all that there is to understand about gold buying and selling as well. Today we are talking about digital gold. Well, it's a 3-year young market and it has seen exponential gains though happen in 2020 itself, and that is because there have been lockdown. And the COVID-induced shutdowns is what really supported people to go online and try new products and instruments, investments, and gold clearly saw a lot of gain because of that. Well, we have seen until last year 65% of all gold that is bought in India has been in the form of jewelry, but that really seems to be changing now because we have seen people try out new investment modes. So when you look at the last 1 year, we have seen transaction on these digital gold platforms increase by nearly 125% year-on-year basis, and the ticket size has gone up by 165% as well. So while of course there are various ways of investing in gold when it comes to online, you have gold derivatives, that is futures and options. Then you also have gold ETFs, where we also have seen record buying in this year. You have mutual fund schemes, you have sovereign gold bonds, and then you have digital gold. That is what we have our focus on today. So what you buy on digital gold online, every unit or every gram or every mini gram that you buy is backed by 24 karat physical gold. So every time that you're buying, the third party is buying that much gold in physical markets for you. So that is how it really goes. It is easy to buy, it is easy to sell, and this is app based. You can download it on your phone. It is driven by internet. So that is the only one criteria that you need to have onto this one. And the main point is that millennials, students, younger generation, portfolio diversifiers clearly seem to be going in for digital gold. I want to start with some advantages here and how you can do it as well. So all you need to start onto this is not open an account anywhere, but you have to download an app, and that is what gets you going here. So first of all, you can buy as low as 0.01 gram, or you can buy it as low as 1 rupee. So you don't really have to go by what the gold price is, or whether you have to buy 1 gram or pay making charges, etc. All of that is not on this. You can buy as low as 1 rupee. You can buy it the day you have more money. You can get disciplined, make an SIP out of this as well. Or some days you can buy more, some days you can buy less. It is totally on you on how you want to go out and buy gold on digital. You can buy a fraction of a gram as well, is what it can happen here as well. So the main thing is you have an app, it shows you the buy and the sell calls, everything on screen. You want to buy gold, you have some gold in the wallet, you want to sell gold, all of those prices are on the screen itself. You can buy it in grams or rupees. As I told you, you can fix a gram, or you can fix the amount that you want to spend on gold at that particular time, and that is how the gold comes into your account here. And the most important thing, it's a 24/7 market, 365 days. So whether it's day, night, you're in the country or outside, you have the app, you have the money to put it in, and you have the digital gold coming into your account there. Well, we also have seen the price that you have on the screens here is inclusive of taxes, it's inclusive of conversions, the duty, and the operational costs as well. But what these agencies who are giving you digital gold do is, when you open an account with them, is when you pay them their fees. When you buy the gold and silver, gold rather, it's only gold, the buy and sell on gold, it is inclusive of all of these costs. What it is not inclusive of is the manufacturing, making, and delivery cost. These three costs become payable only when you want to have gold in return. That means when you bought gold online and you're not selling it online, but you want delivery for this, that is when you got all of these costs also incurred in, which is manufacturing, making, and delivery as well. Well, while you are buying, when you want to take a delivery of it, you have to have a minimum quantity to redeem as a coin. So that is 1 gram. So until you don't reach 1 gram, you cannot redeem it into a delivery. So you have to reach that one point here. Also, you can buy and gift it to somebody who is already on the platform and has an account as well. So that's another way you can do this. The other is the spread between buy and call, because buy would always be higher than what the sell is. It usually covers the cost, the insurance, and the processing fees itself. So as I said, the cost itself covers a lot of fees here. So you do not have to pay much over and above this. The other is that sell would be slightly less, and that always is. That is because of the transactions and processing cost. So when you are buying is always higher to what you are going to be selling it in. Most important thing to remember is that you can hold your wallet, your buying in your wallet for the period of until up to 5 years, and then you have to take delivery or you have to start paying for insurance and storage. So many of these agencies who are providing digital gold as an instrument do have these inbuilt clauses, bylaws, etc. Most important to know is on where you can buy it. I mean, that is what you need to really look at. So there are these digital gold platforms where you can start buying gold, and these are big names like Amazon, PhonePe, Xiaomi Pay, MobiKwik, Paytm. You can download apps like PhonePe, MMTC PAMP, and Dwara Gold also run these instruments, or they also run an app for the digital gold here. So you can get on, download the app and start buying digital gold here. Well, there are a lot of advantages, as I've been telling you, when you buy on digital gold. One is there is no threat, there is no threat of purity. There is no storage that you have to start incurring in. There are no concerns about insurance. So these are all very big positives here. So while the market is 3 years old, and as I told you, it's been last 8 or 10 months that we've seen a lot of buying come in here. So as of now, what we understand is it is between 6 to 8 tons that the digital gold as an app holds. That is what the buying that people have made here. Another thing that most people would want to know is that when you are buying whether a sovereign gold bond, which is government backed, or a gold ETF, which is overseen by the SEBI as a regulator, when it comes to digital gold, there is no regulatory mechanism onto this as yet. So that can be a bit of a dampener here. But then again, issuer here needs to have substantial capital as they are buying and selling gold. That is your third party. So when you buy gold on digital platform, a third party is buying gold for you. That party needs to be strong enough. So when I tell you that it's Amazon, PhonePe, Paytm, etc., these are big credible names to begin with. So you can buy digital gold on all of these properties. They are buying physical gold on the backside for you. And the main thing about digital gold is that you don't really have to save 5,000 rupees to start buying 1 gram of gold. You can start buying digital gold as rupee 1 or 500 rupees, as much as that you have that day, and build it up to nearly a gram before you can take delivery here. So there are various ways and various instruments and companies who are providing digital gold, and this clearly has been one of the instruments, especially in lockdown, which seems to have done quite well. And the ground feedback is that there are younger crowds taking it, and the ticket size has been increasing. As and when people have money in hand, they are tending to get into digital gold here.